Did you know that some of the stuff we think is totally normal for our feline homies is actually super harmful? We love our cats, right? We never intentionally do anything to hurt them. But here's the thing. Sometimes we unknowingly subject our furry friends to things that can cause them stress, discomfort, or even serious health problems. We're about to expose 14 common things people do that can harm their cats. Let's get right into it. Number 1, mental stimulation. Your cat needs more than you think. Cats are naturally curious and playful creatures. In the wild, they'd be stalking prey, exploring their territory, and using their senses to the fullest. But in our homes, they're often stuck with, like, a couple of dusty toys and a whole lot of boredom. A bored cat is not a happy cat. They can get stressed, destructive, even depressed. Puzzle feeders are a game changer. They make your cat work for their food, which satisfies their natural hunting instincts. Interactive toys like feather wands or laser pointers are also great for getting them moving and mentally stimulated. And don't underestimate the power of just spending quality time with your cat. Number 2, overfeeding. Why overfeeding your cat is straight up dangerous. It is something we're all guilty of at some point. Those pleading eyes, those adorable meows. It's hard to resist. But overfeeding is not an act of love. It's harmful. Obesity is a serious problem in cats. It puts them at risk for health issues like diabetes and heart disease. Overweight cats can experience decreased energy and respiratory problems. Your vet can help you determine a healthy diet plan. Portion control is key. Follow the feeding guidelines and make sure your cat gets enough exercise. Number 3, the cleaning products that could be poisoning your cat. We all want our homes to be clean and fresh, right? But here's the thing. The cleaning products we use every day could be putting our cats at risk. Cats are incredibly sensitive to chemicals, and what might seem like a harmless spritz of air freshener to us could be toxic to them. We're talking about common household cleaners like bleach, ammonia, disinfectants, and even some air fresheners. These products contain harsh chemicals that can cause a range of problems for cats, from skin and eye irritation to respiratory issues, vomiting, and even organ damage. When you're cleaning, make sure your cat is in a separate, well-ventilated area. And instead of using harsh chemicals, opt for pet-friendly cleaning solutions. There are tons of natural and non-toxic options available that are just as effective at cleaning your home without putting your furry friend at risk. Number 4, dental care. Why dental care is crucial for your cat's health. Our cats need dental care too. It's easy to overlook their teeth. Neglecting dental hygiene can lead to serious health problems. Plaque and tartar buildup can cause gingivitis, which is inflammation of the gums. If untreated, it can progress to periodontal disease. This painful infection can damage gums, teeth, and bones. Bacteria can enter the bloodstream, affecting the heart, liver, and kidneys. Start by getting your cat used to having their mouth touched. Gently lift their lips and touch their teeth daily. Once comfortable, introduce a pet-specific toothbrush and toothpaste. Aim to brush their teeth a few times a week. Number 5, hydration. Why your cat needs more water than you think. We all know water is essential for life, right? But did you know that cats are notoriously bad at staying hydrated? They have a low thirst drive, which stems from their ancestors who got most of their moisture from their prey. In our homes, where dry kibble is often the main source of food, cats need our help to stay properly hydrated. Dehydration can lead to health problems like urinary tract infections and kidney disease. So, how can you make sure your cat is drinking enough water? Make sure they have access to fresh, clean water at all times. Place multiple water bowls in different locations throughout your home. The sound and movement of flowing water can be very enticing for cats. Number 6. Human meds for cats. It is a dangerous game you don't want to play. Never ever give your cat human medication without consulting your veterinarian. Cats metabolize medications differently than humans do. What might be a safe and effective dose for us could be toxic or even fatal to them. For example, acetaminophen, the active ingredient in Tylenol, can cause severe liver damage and even death in cats. Even over-the-counter medications that seem harmless, like ibuprofen or aspirin, can cause gastrointestinal ulcers, kidney failure, and other serious health problems in cats. If you think your cat is sick or injured, don't try to diagnose or treat them yourself. Contact your veterinarian immediately. Remember, your cat's life is precious, so don't take any chances with their health. Number 7. Dirty litter box. Why a dirty litter box is driving your cat crazy. Let's be real, nobody likes a dirty bathroom. And your cat is no exception. In fact, cats are notoriously clean creatures, and a dirty litter box is a surefire way to stress them out. Think about it from their perspective. Would you want to use a toilet that hasn't been flushed in days? Probably not. Cats are very particular about their bathroom habits, and a dirty litter box can lead to a whole host of problems. The longer waste sits in the litter box, the more ammonia it produces, which is not only stinky but can also irritate your cat's respiratory system. Scoop the litter box at least once a day, and ideally twice a day if you have multiple cats. And don't forget to completely dump out the litter and wash the box with mild soap and water at least once a month. Number 8. Declawing. Let's talk about a controversial topic, the cruel truth behind this common procedure. Declawing is not simply removing a cat's claws. It's a major surgical procedure that involves amputating the last bone of each toe. Imagine if someone removed the last bone of each of your fingers. That's essentially what declawing does to a cat. It's a painful procedure that can lead to complications such as infection, nerve damage, and chronic pain. Cats who have been declawed are more likely to develop behavioral problems such as biting, aggression, and inappropriate elimination. They may also experience difficulty walking, jumping, and defending themselves. The good news is that there are humane alternatives to declawing. Providing your cat with scratching posts, regular nail trims, and using deterrents like double-sided tape can help protect your furniture without resorting to such a drastic measure. Number 9. Scratching posts. It's a natural behavior for cats, serving multiple purposes. Scratching removes dead claw layers, stretches muscles, and marks territory. Without posts, cats scratch furniture and carpets. Provide posts to satisfy instincts and protect belongings. Choose tall, sturdy posts with materials like sisal or cardboard. Place posts where your cat hangs out. Praise and treat your cat for using the post. Number 10. The small objects that could be deadly to your cat. Cats are naturally curious creatures, always exploring their surroundings and batting at anything that piques their interest. But this curiosity can sometimes lead them into trouble, especially when it comes to small objects. String, yarn, rubber bands, hair ties, coins, buttons, and even small toys can all pose serious risks if ingested. Ingesting a foreign object can cause a variety of problems for cats, ranging from mild gastrointestinal upset to life-threatening blockages. The best way to prevent your cat from ingesting foreign objects is to be mindful of what you leave lying around. Number 11. Regular grooming. Why regular grooming is essential for your cat's health. Cats are known for their meticulous grooming habits, but even the most fastidious felines need a little help from their humans from time to time. Regular grooming is essential for maintaining your cat's health and well-being, and it goes beyond just keeping them looking their best. Brushing your cat helps remove loose hair, preventing hairballs and mats. It also stimulates blood circulation, distributes natural oils throughout their coat, and helps you check for any skin irritations, parasites, or other problems. The frequency with which you need to groom your cat depends on their breed and coat type. Long-haired cats require daily brushing to prevent tangles and mats, while short-haired cats can typically get away with weekly brushing. Make grooming a positive experience by offering treats, praise, and plenty of affection. Number 12. The dangers of essential oils for cats. Essential oils are popular for their therapeutic properties, but they can be toxic to cats. Cats are highly sensitive to essential oils, both through inhalation and skin absorption. Their livers lack an enzyme to break down certain compounds, making them vulnerable. Even diffusing essential oils can cause respiratory problems in cats. The most toxic oils include tea tree, peppermint, citrus, eucalyptus, and pennyroyal. It's best to avoid using any essential oils around cats altogether. Number 13. Outdoor adventures. Creating a safe haven for your cat. Some cats crave the adventure of the outdoors. It's crucial to create a safe outdoor space for them. Outdoor cats face dangers like cars, predators, and diseases. Consider building a KTO for safe outdoor enjoyment, or train your cat to walk on a leash and harness. Number 14. Recognizing the subtle signs of illness in your cat. Cats are masters of disguise when it comes to illness. They're hardwired to hide signs of weakness, a survival instinct that served their wild ancestors well. But this can make it tricky for us as cat owners to recognize when something is wrong. Changes in appetite, litter box habits, activity level, grooming behavior, and even vocalization can all be indicators that something is amiss. If you notice any of these changes in your cat, don't ignore them. Contact your veterinarian right away. Early detection and treatment are key to ensuring the best possible outcome for your feline friend. Trust your instincts. If you sense that something is off, it's always better to err on the side of caution and seek professional veterinary care. Are you ready to step up your game? So there you have it, guys. 14 common ways we might be unintentionally harming our feline overlords. But here's the good news. Now that you know better, you can do better. Take a good look at your own cat parenting habits and see if there are any areas where you can improve. In this video right here on the screen, I talk about 10 deadly mistakes cat owners make. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference in your cat's life. Click on the screen to continue to appreciate the wonders of the natural world, including our feline friends.